Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda HR-V key battery. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself at home. You will need a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process quick and smooth, typically taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. First, locate the small release button on the back of your Honda HR-V key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for manually opening your car door if the battery dies. Next, use the tip of this emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery inside. Take a moment to observe which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. Then, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new 3-volt CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing upwards, ensuring it sits securely in place. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear them snap securely into position. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot at the bottom of the fob. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Honda HR-V to confirm that the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.